August 5, 2017, and I'm going to a meeting, yeah, for a brand. And yeah, recently, diba, nakita nyo na yun sa mga social media accounts ko that I've been chosen to be a brand ambassador for BeautynStyleSeoul. So I'm very excited na ma-meet lahat ng staff ng BeautynStyleSeoul, and of course yung Korean personnel na may-ari ng brand na yun. And I'm very excited at that. So right now I'm heading for that event, and I'm going to go to Oriental Palace kung sa may bandang Tomas Morato ata. So yeah, simple makeup lang guys, and wing eyeliner lang tayo. For my OOTD, I have a skater shirt from Forever 21, my kids' white shoes, and then simple black top, and also a maong or denim jacket from Forever 21. Yun lang. So, see you later guys. Sama kayo. Si DJ Bill? Hi, good afternoon po. Hello po.
Rachel. Yeah. Rachel, right?
Yes, hello
Rachel.
po.
This is Miss Julia.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi, Miss Julia.
First design. Because in Korea we have company like on advertisement, and then we also design team. But we also, I think you are very trendy in Korea, but I'm also very consider about to hear what you like it. It's something different, right? So I wanted to know about your tip.
Thank you, Ma'am Julia.
Welcome. Thank you.
Kamsahamnida.
Salamat po.
Thank you, Ma'am Rachel.
You're welcome.
And we're done. Hi, ladies. Oh, diba? Kasama ko na si Luis ulit, oh.
Hola.
And Francine. So, mag-restroom muna kami. So, guys, it's around 6 p.m. na. Mga 3 p.m. na tapos yung meeting namin with Miss Julia and the whole fam of BeautynStyleSeoul. So, thank you so much for a wonderful lunch date. And yeah, I'm so blessed na naging part ako ng family ng BeautynStyleSeoul. So, I'm so excited and looking forward for more. Magbablot lang ako guys. Sobrang oily na ng face ko. Hello everyone! So, ayan. Sinetap ko lang yung aking camera para magkaroon tayo ng mini haul about this first PR unboxing ko. So, isasama ko na dito sa aking vlog. And yeah, i-unbox natin to. Mga goodies from BeautynStyleSeoul. So, here are the goodies. I have here a small paper bag, and there's in it. So, ang dami nito guys, and I'm so thankful, and syempre meron din ang surprise for you everyone, so please stay tuned. So first product in here are this mask. So there's a lot as in, and I'm so excited to try this one. Alam niyo naman guys na I'm so in love with masks. Ayan, and some Korean products, and super excited na akong i-try ito. So first three na nandito is nobody knows why I'm so cute, chic, and sexy. So 3 masks from them, and super cute ang packaging. Tingnan nyo naman. Oh, yan yung cute. And then this is the sexy and the chic. Ayan. So these are all face masks. Mood Maker mask by Ariel. Next mask sheet are from, so these masks are from Ariel. Ayan. There has 4 variety of special masks. Ayan. Ayan. And for the last mask is this Diana Jen Louis & Lay Cosmetics. I don't know if this is a mask. I'm not sure. Pero let's see. So I have 2. So Immortal Illuminating Cream. So Black Royal Fish. So let's see how to use. This cream with gold powder has been developed to moisturize and replenish the skin. For the best result, apply generously to entire face and neck after cleansing, and pat gently until completely absorbed. So para siyang facial cream. Ayan. So I have 3. Actually 6 dahil meron pang isang pack here. Okay, next product will be mask again. Yeah, this is the 7 days mask set by 7 Skin Solutions. So this is the rave product from BeautynStyleSeoul. As in, nung pumupunta ako sa Instagram account nila, ang dami kong nakikita ganito, and I'm so curious kung paano sila gamitin at kung paano sila nag-work. And now I have it. So hindi na po focus. Mag-focus ka, girl. Focus. So yan, this is a 7 days mask sheet, and meron tayong Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday mask. So iba-ibang mask to. We have bamboo waters for hydrating and moisturizing, aloe for calming and soothing, pomegranate for firming and radiating, tea tree mask for clearing and purifying, avocado for nutrient protection, lemon for brightening and soothing, and also green tea for sebum control peeling. Ayan. So 7 days mask, and I'm going to try it as in now na, as in today, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe on Monday, para tingnan natin, para masunod-sunod natin yung steps Monday to Sunday. So yes, I'm going to use this one, at syempre i-update ko kayo for the result. Yeah. Thank you so much BeautynStyleSeoul for this one. For the next product in here is another rave one for BeautynStyleSeoul, and I myself now curious din ako sa kanila because this is my first time to have a lip product na merong totoong flower in it. So this is the KKOT. I don't know if I said it right, pero this is a Flower Blossom Bloom Essence Lip Tint Balm. Yan siya guys. At if you want to check yung Instagram account ng BeautynStyleSeoul, I link the information down below para ma-check nyo rin yung other products that they are selling, and also how good and better yung mga products nila from Korea. So, meron siyang clear case like this one, like an ordinary lip product. And then, if you open this out, balik natin pala. Ayan. So, KKOT. Ayan. Essence Lip Tint Balm siya. So, if you open this out, ito siya guys. And here is the product. Ayan. Yan, nakikita nyo ba yung flower, guys? So cute, diba? Pink. I'm so in love with pink. So, yan. I'm so excited to try this one kasi clear siya, but then meron din siyang essence. Meron din siyang color if you put it on your lips. So, yeah. Maybe I'm going to have a separate video regarding these products para mas-watch din natin sila and makita natin yung effect nila on the lips. Siyempre guys, hindi lang ako ang meron ng KKOT Essence Lip Balm dahil meron din kayo. So, for this one, I might going to give this out. So, this is a part of my giveaway, upcoming giveaway here on my channel. So, please stay tuned kasi there's a lot more. Hindi lang ito. So, this is a very special one dahil this is from Korea and from BeautynStyleSeoul. So, they are so generous to give us a sample product na i-giveaway ko for my channel. So, please stay tuned guys. And I'm too excited kung sino makakakuha nito because so special to me. This is my first time to have it sponsored. And thank you so much again to Miss Julia and Miss Rachelle for sa lighting guys ha, kasi medyo madilim na. It's around 6:30 PM at wala akong magandang lighting. So, yun lang. I might end this video na. And yun, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin for today. And yes, please do visit their Instagram account, BeautynStyleSeoul. All the links, details will be listed on the information box. Please check that out because there's a lot, as in a lot surprises and also products na makukuha at makikita nyo on their line. And kanina nga nung nag-meeting kami, meron product na napaka-cute talaga. I might insert some photos or clips kanina. Siguro nakita nyo na dun sa video. Pero, yeah, super cute sila. Hindi pa kasi sila pwedeng ipakita sa video talaga ng malapitan. Pero, yun nga, kinuha na ko sila ng malayuan. As in, malayo. Kasi nga, hindi pa pwedeng ipakita. So, maybe one day or on September sila i-release. So, please stay tuned on their Instagram account kasi makikita nyo doon yung kanilang new product line. There are lipsticks, CC cushion, lipsticks, cushion, eye palette, eyeshadow palette, what else? Yun lang yung tatlong nakita ko kanina, but then there's a lot pa. So, yun nga. Please do follow their Instagram account. Below is the link. So guys, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung Instagram account ng BeautynStyleSeoul. Ayan. So, ito yung kanilang Instagram account. So, makikita nyo dyan yung iba't ibang products nila. Ayan. So, on September, they will be releasing a new product line from their company. So, please stay tuned on their Instagram account. Yes. Link will be on the description box. So, please check that out. And happy 1K sa atin! See you on my giveaway. I'm so excited. And, yeah, too excited for that. Kasi ang daming prizes. So, sana magustuhan nyo yung mga prizes na hinanda ko. And, konting tiis na lang guys. Kinukompleto ko lang sila. So, please stay tuned on my channel. So, thank you so much for having this family grow so fast. And I want to say thank you for being so supportive. Love. Maraming salamat sa mga positive feedback ninyo guys. It means a lot to me, as in, I don't wanna cry, pero ang arte, I don't wanna cry. Basta yun, salamat sa lahat ng pagsuporta, and I hope na this family will grow so big, as in, kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo guys, and I want to give out kung ano talaga yung karapat-dapat sa inyo. Third persons will be winning this giveaway, as in persons, yeah, take note, persons, kaya stay tuned. Until my next vlog, it's me, Rachel. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and I love you all.
Babe, there is this place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that where